1957 Buick Special Riviera Coupe, or two-door hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, of course, the Riviera designation back in the 50s would have been the designation for that hardtop. Listen to this, underneath the hood, numbers matching. 364 cubic inch V8, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Take a look at the bright work and chrome up front on this car. You can tell the chrome has been redone. Shows extremely nice. Of course, 1957 in the Buicks. We'll have the model year right on the grille. Even the Buick lettering, hood ornament, headlight bezels, all of that looks to be re-chromed in extremely nice shape. Paint coat on this car, KK, so this would have been a mint green car, top to bottom. Paint also shows well on this one. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the car from the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And speaking of chrome, yes, beautiful chrome spoked wheels, wide white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side and you can see how straight these panels are. The bright work down the midsection of the car. Nice and straight, no dings. Has the green painted on the inner portion of it. And that highlights the interior. This is a stunning car in person, folks, no doubt about that. But lots and lots of chrome, and it's all in very nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. That has also been reupholstered. Very nice shape. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Speaking of chrome, rear bumper. A few notes from the technician on this one that looked at it in our service department. I mentioned the brakes are 90% in the rear. I mentioned the fronts could stand to be replaced in the near future, as well as the front bottom ball joints. Some minor powertrain seeps, typical for a car that's driven. And this one, get in, start it up, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and we will start it up, take a peek underneath the hood and look at that numbers matching. 364 cubic inch V8. If you like these 50s Buicks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see up and down this driver's side. Panels also nice and straight. That bright work down the driver's side, also nice shape, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. How about interior? So trim on this car was $411, so this would have been kind of a mint and black interior when it was new. Again, it appears that it has been reupholstered and in awful nice shape. Door panel looks good. The vinyl cloth combination seatbelts have been installed. Have a feeling this one will bring home some trophies, no doubt about that. Headliner, great shape, visors intact. Technician did note that the windshield wipers do work. They're still vacuums, they're a little slow. I also had the radio power up, and that's working. So we're going to go ahead, turn this key straight up and down. You can see that right there, and then there is now a push button to start underneath the dash about right here. That's all it takes to fire it up. Watch these gauges. Looks like oil pressure's coming up, amp meter, gas gauge, and that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Love these speedometers too. How basically it will push the red indicator out to show you how fast you're going. It's not really a needle. And off the top of my head, I cannot think of what the name of those are. Any Buick experts out there want to fill us in down below in the comments, feel free to. Dash looks good. I'm going to turn this radio on. It will take just a little bit to warm up, but I will show you that that's working also. Very smooth running car. Carpeting also in nice shape on the interior.
Marketing service.
There we go.
Locations in Good Thunder and Mapleton with protein sources.
So AM radio is working. Man, does it sound good. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nice exhaust note, nothing crazy over the top, just nice deep throaty exhaust note. Alright, how about the engine bay? Let's go check this out. I'm going to pause this a second, get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And as you can imagine, nice and clean and tidy underneath here also. There's a battery disconnect, obviously, for when it's in storage or in between drives. Battery's a year old, 1224. If you want to see the call tag or data tag, that'll be in with the still pictures. You want to do any decoding yourself on there. There'll be a picture of the stamp on the top of that engine block showing the VIN derivative on it. So again, the original, numbers matching, V8. Very smooth runner, quiet. Nicely restored, 1957 Buick Special Riviera Coupe, two-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1957 Buick Special in a lovely light green, maybe a mint green color that really brings you back to 57. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Speedometer is that really great kind that looks like an old school thermometer filling up as you speed up. The orange gets farther to the right. Great looking car inside and out. Our temperature gauge is about a third of the way up from cold. The oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up towards the high side, which is a good thing. Our turn signal indicators are working. The amp meter is below half on the gauge. The fuel gauge reads a little over half of a tank. And guess what else?
Up 110 at the close.
The radio's working just fine, and it looks like the factory radio. The blower motor works. Possibly new carpet on that floor because we've got some plastic still stuck to it, protecting it. Beautiful car, inside and out. Amazing greens. The road feel is really great. Nice and luxurious thanks to Buick and their style, their fast with class slogan, which maybe came later. Really fits Buick across the board. The headliner looks amazing. The brakes nice and smooth. Horn is working. We got one car to wait for. There's a push button start on this car to the left of the column and under the dash. So most people aren't going to find that. It's kind of a theft deterrent, really. If you know what's there, you know what's there. Corners great. Corners luxuriously. More style than a Chevy, wouldn't you say? This Buick is beautiful. Take a look at all the pictures of this 57 Special at uniqueclassiccars.com.